G'day, how you going? It's Richard from Off-Road Touring Life, and today's video is going to be something a little bit different. Now, just over a month or so ago, I got sent an email from a company called Lifedoo. They asked me whether I was interested in trying out one of their flat pack fire pits. Now, I'm not getting paid for this video. All they've done is give me a product and said go for it, do a review for us and let us know what you think. Now, I'm not just going to open it up out of the box and tell you how awesome this product is. I've actually used it for about 8 hours all up, which you will see when I set the fire pit all up. So I'll give you my thoughts on it, what I think about it, and some things they can definitely improve on this product, maybe going forward with what they have here already. So I'll just show you the box it came in. This box here is all it came in. So on the box here it says it's 480 millimeters long, 50 mil thick, and 315 mils high. So that gives you a rough idea of the package size in the box. And on the box there it says it's 9 kilos, but after looking at their website, the fire pit itself weighs around the 8.3 kilo mark. So it is of steel construction as well. So I'll get that all set up now, give you a look, and I'll share my thoughts with you. So one of the things I really like about this fire pit is how flat it packs up. So that's it there. So you can see there how flat it is. That's all 4 pieces there, which is a big plus. If you've got a wagon like myself, there's not a lot of room in the back of those, particularly if you're traveling with a family. Storage is obviously at a premium. Alright, so I got the fire pit all set up there behind me. Now one thing I did notice when I got it out of the box from brand new, in the middle of the channel there where the actual V is, the panels don't actually touch. So there was a little bit of an air gap in there. So I'm guessing that's just to help the timber burn while it's actually in the fire pit. Now, I sort of see this as a bit of a negative. What I'm hoping Lifedoo will do down the track is supply a tray that will sit underneath the fire pit, because what we did notice was a lot of the ash and stuff was falling through and landing on the ground. Now a lot of the time these days you want to go camping, you want to leave no trace, you want to leave no footprint at all anywhere, and it doesn't leave little fire pits and scores around on the impacting campsites. Now looking at it again this morning after using it for around that 8 hours, what I have noticed, that gap's actually opened up a bit more. So what I'm guessing is the steel itself has actually warped a little bit over that burning in period, and the gap's a bit wider. So I will definitely be using it again with some sort of tray underneath it there, but I haven't brought one with me now. I didn't expect it to go that long, but I am going to light a fire in there shortly and show you it actually working. I guess one way around it, another way is the slots where it slides in. If you make the slots that little bit longer, you'll be able to slide them in and the bottom of that groove will come in and touch and will stop any ash and that falling out of it. On the side of the fire pit itself, it does have 2 handles, so you can pick it up and move it around if you need to, but of course remember to wear those good gloves because the steel itself will be red hot. Okay, so I'll just get a fire going in it now. Alright, so I've got the fire there going there behind me now. I have brought a bucket with me, and there is a water point right there behind the patrol as well, so I'll be able to put that out and cool the material down before I pack it up and jump back in the car and hit some tracks hopefully this afternoon. But I will put a link in the description down below if you want to check out the Lifedoo Firepit. Like I said, I'm not getting paid for this. They contacted me, asked me whether I was interested in doing a review like I mentioned at the start of this video. I was happy to check it out, share my thoughts with you guys. Keep in mind I have only used it for about that 7 to 8 hour mark so far. I will continue to use it just to see how it goes. But yeah, it's burning along nicely behind me. And thanks heaps for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Cheers. Now Lifedoo did say they have some improvements coming up in the next couple of months with their fire pit. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but when I do find out, if you want me to share that with you, I can. Like I said a couple of times now, they approached me to test their product. Happy to share it with you. So thanks for watching. I'm about to head out now and take off some tracks. All right, thanks for watching. Cheers.